Are you craving a comforting soup for dinner? My mom's authentic pho ball will hit the spot. My kids love it, my students love it, even picky eaters can't stop slurping. Today, my mom is showing us how to make one batch, freeze it, and turn it into 10 nourishing meals. This is a lifesaver during postpartum or on those nights when cooking just feels impossible. My mom ran a Vietnamese restaurant in France, and today she's opening the vault on her secret pho recipe. We will make pho in 3 steps. Step 1, blooming the spices. Step 2, cleaning the bones. And step 3, simmering the broth. I'll also show you my mom's meal prep strategy as well as how to assemble a bowl of pho.
Allô Vinh, nous sommes en train de faire phở Bắc Kỳ đấy con. C'est très bon. Veux-tu manger un petit peu? On va t'envoyer quelques boules. Et après, on va bien laver et on râler la peau parce que c'est très bon pour la santé. Et deuxième, ça donne des goûts plus forts. Voilà. Des oignons aussi. Des oignons. Si la peau jaune est propre, on peut les garder. Si elle n'est pas propre, on va enlever et on coupe le bout.
My mom uses a combination of 3 spices: star anise, black cardamom, and cinnamon. Place the spices in the air fryer. The spices cook for about 3 minutes while the ginger and onions cook for 15. The goal here is not to char anything. It's to gently caramelize and concentrate flavors. Place everything except for the onions into a glass jar. Fill it halfway with boiling water. You'll only use half of the spice infusion for this batch of pho. My mom freezes the other half for a future batch to save time. If you have cilantro roots, use them. They add a subtle depth of flavor. You might not be able to pinpoint it, but it brings that je ne sais quoi to the broth. My mom uses a combination of beef knuckles, marrow bones, and oxtail, beef ribs, and shank.
Bây giờ mẹ cho nước lạnh vào, mẹ ngâm, mẹ cho ít muối vào ngâm để cho cái máu đỏ này nó đi ra.
Soak the bones and meat for 30 minutes, then drain. Place them into a pot of boiling water. You'll see the scrum rise to the surface. Let this pot boil for about 3 minutes, then remove everything. Rinse the bones and the meat well under cold water. Empty the pot and wash it clean. In a clean pot, add the bones, meat, water, and spices. Season with rock sugar and salt. My pot was a bit too small for all the bones, so we split everything between a regular pot and a pressure cooker. Let this simmer for 4 hours. The one in the pressure cooker, 2 hours. To freeze the broth for future meals, pour it into a freezer-safe glass jar. Stop below the widest part of the jar to allow room for expansion as it freezes. Now let me show you how I take pho from freezer to dinner in less than 10 minutes. Start by microwaving a jar of frozen broth for about 5 minutes. While that's heating up, bring a pot of water to a boil. Blanch the bean sprouts for 30 seconds. In that same pot, cook the rice noodles for about 1 minute. Rinse them under cold water and drain well. Add the warm broth from the microwave and bring it to a boil. Place the noodles into your bowl, add the toppings, and then when everyone is ready to eat, ladle the hot broth over. If you like this recipe, please share it with a fellow parent with a picky eater at home. If you are looking for a simpler pho recipe, check out my pho gag, which is accomplished in half the steps. Thanks for watching!